Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Liana Friliana. I am from Budiatama University and international trade major. For now, I will presentation about this matter for my last exam at English lesson. So let's go to the matter. I get this material can reptiles be pets because this is from my experience. Like 2 or 3 years ago, I keep so many reptiles at my home, like tortoise, snake, and crocodile. So I will share my experience to everyone. Let's go to the next slide. Why talk about reptiles as a pet? We have 3 points at this slide. Reptiles are unique and fascinating creatures. And the second, many people find them easier to care for than traditional pets. And the third is, but are they suitable as a pet for everyone? I will conclude. Concluding this slide. I will take the sample at the second point. Many people find them easier to care for than traditional pets. I think like at another place so long for this place. I say like at village at the forest, they have daily life. It's so it's so nearby for animal, like at Amazon or Africa. They have easy to get reptiles than the common pets like cat or dog. So I think pets is not a unique pet. Reptiles is not a unique pet because in another world they have reptiles is a common pets to the common pets. So the next slide, we have a sample at for animal. The first one is iguana, the second is tortoise, the third is snake, and the last is leopard gecko. They have different characters and different habit. You can read the description at the bottom pictures. The next slide is why choose a reptile. We have 4 reasons for this material. The first is low nose level reptiles are quiet. The second is low maintenance compared to cats or dogs. The third is they don't require daily walks. And the last, unique companionship. Not everyone has a reptile pet. So the next slide is challenge of owning reptiles. Things to consider. We have 3 points at the slide. The first is temperature and humidity control are crucial. The second is some reptiles have a long lifespans. The third is not all reptiles enjoy being handled. So I will explain for this slide. I think to keep reptiles to being a pet, it's not for everyone because I think not everyone capable for keep reptiles like at this point. So you have to learn about animal before you keeping for your pets. So the next slide, are reptiles good for everyone? Who should consider reptiles as pets? I have done for explain these slide, at the last slide, we have 3 points at this slide. The first is suitable for people with busy schedule. The second is good for individuals who love exotic animal, and the third is may not be ideal for small children due to handling risks. So we have to next slide, and we have a conclusion slide. Reptiles as a pet, yes or no? We have 3 conclusions at this slide. The first one is reptiles can be great pets for the right person. The second is they requirement, commitment, and proper care. And the last, make sure to do your research before deciding. So I will conclude at these 3 points. I think reptiles is not for everyone because you have to make sure yourself about the risk about their life, because the risk is not for you, but for reptiles you have to make them comfortable at your home, like you have to give her nature food, or give her nature house, follow the nature life. So when you want to keep a reptiles at your home, you have to think again and think again. I think 5 or 7 times before you get the reptiles keeping for your pets. I think that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.